I'm going to show you how to configure your user limits and your contact limits for your SaaS plans. So first thing you're going to do is go to your SaaS configure and pick a plan. And then we're just going to go to edit details. Then from here, we're going to go to pricing. And now under here, you can see that you can toggle these things on and off. So your user limit, which just means that you're putting a limit on how many users your client can have into their sub account. So if we click that on, we could change this to 50. We can change this to 5 if we want. And this just means that if they want to have more than this, you can charge them per user, or you can make them buy another sub account from you. Now, the next one is the contact limit, which we can turn that on and off. For the contact limit, if you're running a free trial, this will be great for you. So say you don't want to give away the whole farm and you just want them to try it out with 50 contacts. And then if they need more than 50 contacts, they'll probably end up buying this from you. So this is a great way to test out free trials, and then we could just hit save changes and it'll be saved like that.